And we are green one more time tonight. Conquest with about a half car length advantage down the front stretch into turn number one. Crossover from McDaniel to the inside of Conquest. They're going to drag race down the back straightaway. Conquest up the speedway, going to lead lap number one. McDaniel second. Boyette third. And Cameron Metz now to the fourth spot as they're going to roll down the back straightaway into turn number three. Two laps going on the board in this one. Arthur Conquest pulling double duty here tonight between the Dirt Legends of the South and his factory stock. That is Philip Vest owned factory stock. We're going to roll into turn number 1 and 2. 3 laps in the books, 12 laps remaining. Boyette's going to try to pull up to the back bumper of the 42 machine of Wiley McDaniel. Into turn number 3 and 4. Boyette with a run. Into turn number 1. Looks to the outside of McDaniel once again. As Conquest begins to pull away in this one. Boyette trying to roll around the outside of the 42 machine. Wiley McDaniel. Crossover from Boyette now. McDaniel slips through turn number 1 and 2. Only battle on the speedway is for the second spot on your TV screen here on Hunt the Front TV. Battle for the second spot between McDaniel, Boyette, and Cameron Metz. Through turns number 3 and 4, this all happens about a second and a half behind your leader. Nine laps going in the books, 6 laps remaining in this one. Boyette looks to the outside of McDaniel through turn number 1 and 2. Down the back straightaway, McDaniel has a run. Able to maintain. Oh, he pushes through 1 and 2. Something broke on the front of the 42 machine. And he's going to take it pit side. He's able to get out of harm's way, I do believe. Tough break for the one of Boyette as he gets caught up behind the broke 42 machine. Something just broke on the right front of that machine. Wheeling Engineering caution lights out. Conquest picks up the gas. And we're back green flag racing. 5 laps to go in this one. Metz and Boyette side by side down the back straightaway. Into turn number 3 and 4. They're going to try to chase down your leader. That's 78 machine. Conquest smooth and consistent with his line. Each lap coming around to 3 laps to go. Boyette and Metz still battling for that second spot as they watch the 78 machine roll away. 2 laps to go from flagman Dylan Ansel. White flag in the air for Arthur Conquest. One final time around the Speedway. Down the back straightaway. Out of Bronson, Florida. And the Phil Vest owned Coast to Coast Pole Barns number 78. Arthur Conquest is going to pick up the factory stock win in 78. Cameron Metz gets Tyler Boyette at the line for second. Tyler Boyette third, Michael Reel fourth, Andy Day fifth. Paul Sherraw, Brian Casey, Wyler McDaniel rounds out your finishing order.